Come test drive the 2014 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.